Typical configuration of the interaction between devices, cables and connectors. On the left-hand side, we see panels. Two panels connected together using male and female plugs, connectors. They go down to pairs of pluses and pairs of minuses, which is being combined by a device, a connector, two inputs, one output, then goes to a cable and goes to the electronic equipment. Combiner. On the right-hand side, we see something a little bit more complex. And please note the components in between the two PV modules. They are 2-to-1, two inputs, one output. Male and female. The cables that come out of the panel, one of them is plug, the other one is jack. One of them is female, the other one is male. This is in order to distinguish between plus and minus. They are not the same polarity, so this is why one of them is male, the other one is female. So they go to this combiner connector. The two small connectors in the center between the two modules. Two inputs, one output. In one case, there are two female, one male. In the other case, there are two males and one female, to distinguish between the plus and the minus of the DC lines. Same thing on the right, and then it goes out to a cable and goes out to the outside world. Combiners, inverters, etc.